called out the youth basketball program in the United States on Friday night. According to ESPN.com, the basketball great thinks that European players are more skillful because they are taught the right way to play the game from an early age. Brian
You need to be able to dribble. You need to be able to pass and check. You need to be able to shoot. You need to be able to play defense. And you need to be able to ball out of the If you can do those 5 things, you have a chance to make a team here.
Bryant blamed the lack of development on America's, quote, horrible, terrible AAU basketball. It's stupid. It doesn't teach our kids how to play the game at all.
These drills are going to go through a couple of them here for the next 20 minutes or so. The thing we call the flag drill. We drill the flag every day.
Learning the fundamentals of the game in Europe is something that Kobe feels fortunate to have had, saying, I probably wouldn't be able to dribble with my left and shoot with my left and have good footwork.
If it's good enough,